Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I am going to show you how to connect and disconnect the battery cables on your car whenever you are replacing your battery. Now, there has been a lot of questions and a lot of confusion on which one to disconnect first. Should you disconnect the negative first or the positive first, or connect the positive first or the negative first? So I'm going to do my best to answer that question. By the way, about a year ago I did a video on how to replace the battery on a 2012 through 2015 Ford Focus SE, and I did receive the comment about 16 hours ago. You can see it right here. Hopefully you can see that. And this comment, I erased it. I erased his first name. The reason why, because after he made this comment, I sent him some link. I did not answer it. I just sent him some link and he erased the comment. So this is the only reason why I'm taking his first name out. But we'll call him Mr. P. And this is his comment. This is on my Ford Focus battery replacement. He said, never connect positive first. But look what he said in the bottom. Amateur move! Exclamation point. He said it with authority. But after I sent him the links, he deleted the comment. Well, let's read it again. Never connect positive first. Amateur move. So, you know, like when people usually make statements like this, I just mute them out of my channel and I just keep going. But he actually, Mr. P, actually motivated me to do this video. So we're gonna do this video, or what we're gonna do is we're gonna properly disconnect the battery terminals in your car. So let me get set up and I'll be right back. Now, when you're replacing your battery, first of all, you have to use precaution. First, you want to wear gloves. The reason why you want to wear gloves, in case there's any acid in there or anything that's gonna hurt your hands, and you might put your hands in your eyes. So the first thing you want to do is wear gloves. Also, you want to wear safety glasses. You want to wear safety glasses. Always use safety first. Now, in a battery, we have a positive and a negative. The confusion comes, which one should I disconnect first? Now, I disconnect the negative first. The reason why I disconnect the negative first, because I don't want to cause any electrical issues in my car. And also, I don't want to accidentally put my ratchet or my wrench connected to the negative and the positive at the same time, because if not, you're going to get a shock at your hand. So now, the positive is always red. In this car, you can see that it has a positive with a red on it. So the first thing, when you're going to replace your battery, what you want to do is disconnect your negative terminal. And like I said, when you disconnecting the negative terminal, you want to make sure, if you have a cap, leave the cap there first, because you don't want to accidentally hit it. You're going to get shot. So the first thing you do is disconnect the negative. You want to disconnect the negative. Okay, once you disconnect the negative, what you want to do is, if you have a rag, put a rag on it, right? Because you don't want it to come accidentally and it connects back in there. In this situation, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it down here, right? But it's much safer if you use a rag and you put it there, because you don't want it to come back. Now, once you disconnected that, what you want to do is, if you have a cap, you remove the cap and you disconnect the positive next. So take the positive off. Now The same thing with the positive. You want to push it to the side. But if you have a rag, it's better to put a rag on it to prevent it from coming over here in case it comes using a rag and it will not connect. Now you take your battery out, you put your battery back in. Now, according to Mr. P, he said never connect positive first. Amateur move. Now, you can do however you want to do it, but my thing is safety. So what I would connect first, I will connect the positive first. I will connect the positive first. Make sure this is not connected there. You connect your positive. Make sure, like I said, this one didn't come back over. I'm gonna tie it, screw it back in nice. By the way, I'm using a 10mm here, nice and tight. Now, put the cap back in there. Okay? Now that's in there, what you're gonna do is connect your negative cable in, your negative terminal. You screw it back in. Make sure it's screwed nice and tight. And that's how you properly disconnect and connect the terminals for your battery. Remember, first negative, then positive. When you're gonna connect it back, positive first, and then the negative. Okay, so this is once again NowMechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, don't ever let nobody tell you that you cannot do it. Because if NowMechanic can do it, you can do it. Stay confident. Later.